Introduction. The idea of making this innovation of semi-automatic pipe cutting jig is the result of a problem statement from a vocational college lecturer of the welding technology program, related to the preparation of practical work materials used by students in welding technology.
Problem statement. The problem faced is related to the time it takes to prepare the practical work material, causing it to be unable to be prepared immediately in a short period of time. The labor cost for making beveled cuts is quite expensive, around 25 to 50 ringgit Malaysia for one iron pipe. With this innovation project, it can definitely optimize the time of the practical work material preparation.
This video shows the iron pipe are going through beveling process, using lathe machine, but early it have to use different machine, to cut the iron pipe to the required size. The previous machine used are required skilled labor, and took a long time to finish for one iron pipe. Objective. First, design and produce a semi-automatic pipe cutting jig. Second, this innovation can save the labor cost in making beveled pipe. Third, this innovation can shorten the process time of making beveled pipe. Fourth, the innovation can be easily handled by student or lecturer without any special or specific skill needed.
Uniqueness. This innovation has been improved with two unique functions. First, it can function as an iron pipe cutter, and second, it can produce beveled cuts on iron pipes with a shorter time of around 4 to 5 minutes and does not require skilled labor to operate. Using this semi-automatic pipe cutting jig, it can reduce the risk of accidents with addition to meeting the criteria of ergonomic safety features.
This video shows the iron pipe are going through beveling process with cutting process at one time. This innovation project able to save the cost of wages and minimize the waste of iron pipe. Benefits to users and society. Especially for skill education institutions, specifically for welding technology programs, is to simplify and shorten the practical work material preparation time. Contribute benefits to small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, especially in the field of welding. Save the use of raw material resources due to the nature of its use that can perform two different processes into one.
Commercial potential. Positive impact, especially for technical education institutions, because this product can be placed as a teaching aid in the learning and teaching process. Thus, it has ergonomic safety features. This product is seen to be able to compete and break through the SMEs market. Next, it is not requiring skilled labor, also able to attract the interest of industries because it is user-friendly. We appreciate your time and attention. Thank you for listening.